Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I will be unboxing my new camera plus the other accessories I got from Amazon. So I'll be showing you everything I bought. So of course it's the Sony ZV-1. That's a camera I purchased. I actually did a lot of research and I just had to conclude on this. Now, I chose this camera because of my present situation. As much as I create content or film videos and all that. I don't think I'm actually at that level where I should buy something very, very expensive. So I just decided to go for this Sony ZV. I watched a lot of videos on YouTube because I was so particular about the kind of video that would kind of suits my present situation. So I decided to go for this, and the reviews have been amazing. I've actually not checked it yet. The package came yesterday night, and I just decided to wait till this morning so I can unbox and show you guys. So this is the camera. I will of course bring it out of the pack so you can see. The other thing I got is this tripod grip remote control. Yeah, tripod grip with remote control. Okay, so there's a particular one that comes with this Sony ZV, the particular one made by Sony itself. And I think, why did I not get that? I think it was actually very pricey for me. So when I went online to do further research on another tripod grip I can buy that is more affordable, I actually saw this online and I decided to go for this. So I don't know how to pronounce this. More like Odelan tripod grip with remote control. So from the reviews I got online, it does exactly the same thing as what the Sony tripod grip would do. So that's why I went for this. It's a lot cheaper, like half of what I would spend if I had gotten the Sony grip. Either half or 1/3 actually. Yeah, 1/4 of what 1/3 of what I would spend if I had bought the Sony tripod grip. So yeah, that's the second thing I bought. The third thing I bought is actually the wireless microphone. Presently, I use the Boya lavalier microphone, which is amazing, by the way. It is very, very amazing, and I've actually not had any issues so far with my Boya microphone. But I decided to get this for two reasons, or maybe just for one reason, and that's because now that I have this camera, I will be doing a lot of vlogs. Like, I will be filming a lot of vlogs. That's my plan. I hope I get to do that anyways. So because I plan to do that, I don't think it would be appropriate for me to be going around with my lavalier microphone, because it has very, very long cable, like very long, extremely long cable. So I had to actually order this as well, just for that purpose. So when I'm out and about and I'm filming, I can literally just take this to my shirt or to my blouse, and then I can get going. So it's wireless, and it's very portable, but I would definitely unbox it and show you guys. The other thing I bought is I figured out I would definitely need a memory card for the camera. I've been filming with my phone, so I've never had any reason to buy a memory card for filming, but I had to get this. I also had to do a bit of research online, and from what I got online, it's better you buy an Extreme Pro SD card. I don't know how true that is, but because I like to do a lot of research online, I decided to go for this, and I went for 128 gig. So that's the next thing I bought. And I also bought this card reader. So presently I edit my videos on my phone because I use the InShot editing app, and it's actually on my phone. So I figured out I will need like an adapter or something. I really didn't know what it was called, so I went online to actually check for like an adapter, something that when I'm done filming my video, I could just remove the SD card and then slot into something like an adapter and then plug into my phone and then edit my videos. So I went online to check for what that is called, and I figured out what I needed was a card reader. I also ordered this from Amazon as well. So this is what I bought. I will leave all the links in the comment section, in the description box rather. So if you want to get any of these things, actually I got everything from Amazon. Everything from Amazon, because I needed to maximize the Black Friday sales. So let me quickly unbox and show you guys what's actually in all of these boxes. Okay guys, so this is the camera. I just finished unboxing everything. I mean, the camera, and all the accessories I bought as well. So this is the camera. It feels so good. It feels so compact. Guys, look at it. I will mount it and show you guys how it feels, but let's see. Ah, amazing. So you can actually flip the screen. Okay, so this is what the camera looks like. And in the same pack, it came with this battery. I actually ordered 2 extra batteries because it came with just 1 battery, but I actually ordered, I'm waiting for the delivery. I ordered 2 extra batteries and I think a charging pack as well. So the other thing that came with the camera, so besides the camera body itself, and of course it has an inbuilt lens, and then it came with the battery. It also came with this, which I also saw in the reviews I watched on YouTube. So apparently this is like a wind protector, so something that helps to reduce the noise or the distractions from wind noise. So it kind of minimizes wind noise, like when you're out and about and you're vlogging. It will like reduce the wind noise to the barest minimum. So that is what this is all about, because I checked online already. And it came with this as well. I believe this is a charging cable. Yeah, it should be a charging cable, but I will check everything out. I will mount it and show you guys, but I believe this should be a charging cable. So that's that about the camera. This is the tripod grip I showed you guys earlier. So this is what it looks like. And okay, so anyways, I'll make use of it and show you guys how it feels. So it has this actually came with, did it come with anything? Okay, this didn't come with anything besides just a cable. So it came with a cable, and what else did this come with? Guys, let me just check, because I've got so much. Oh yeah, so this actually came with this. I don't know if this is like an holder or something. I don't know what this is. It came with this, and of course this is like an extra battery, or maybe this is actually the only battery. I don't know if there's a battery in there already, so I will check and see if there's a battery in there already. So this might actually be the battery I would need to use, or it could actually be a spare battery. I will check and see if there's actually a battery inside this already. So this is the tripod grip, and yeah, it feels very light actually, because I was expecting something very heavy. I was actually a bit skeptical about ordering this, but it feels really light. And from the reviews I read online, you can actually, I think you can move the camera. So once you mount the camera here, you can move it around with this roller. And yeah, it has some other features, like when you want to record, when you want to take pictures, and all of that. So that's that. This is the card reader, and this is what it looks like. So apparently this is where I would slot in my SD card. It has 2 slots, one for a macro SD card and one for a micro SD card. So depending on the size of the SD card, this is where these are the 2 ports available. So once I put the memory card in here, this can go into my iPhone. This port can go into my iPhone, and then I can easily edit on my iPhone. Okay, so the next thing I got, oh yeah, so I mentioned the microphone to you guys, the Sony wireless microphone, and I actually mentioned the reason why I bought this. So it comes in 2 parts. So there's a part that goes onto the camera. I will mount everything actually and show you guys. I already checked that online. So there's a part that will go into the camera, and there's a part that will be attached to my own body. So wherever I want to put it, in my chest, wherever, on my clothing, wherever. So there's a part that goes, I think this is the part that goes into the camera, and this is the part that goes onto my own body. So this is what it looks like, and this came with another windshield as well, so that's amazing. So the Sony camera itself came with this windshield or wind protector, and the microphone also came with a wind protector as well. So that's all that came with that, and of course it also came with I mean some other cables. I don't know what this is. Some other cables, connection cables, I believe. So that's that. And then this is the SD card I bought. the 128 gig SD card. So I'm waiting for the extra 2 chargers I ordered, and then when they arrive I would probably just add them to this video. So this is everything I bought, or these are the stuffs I bought. And yeah, so I will mount the camera on this tripod, and I would also connect the microphone, and I will show you guys the end result. So guys, this is what my Sony ZV camera looks like. It feels so amazing. I like it already. So I turned it on already, but I need to get it charged. So I'm hoping for my subsequent videos I can actually start filming with this camera. So it's all mounted, and I've been able to connect the tripod grip with the camera through Bluetooth. The only thing I've actually observed, but I think I might still have to go and do some research on YouTube and on Google, I realized that if I'll be using this Sony wireless microphone, I will have to take off the wind protector, wind noise minimizer or something. I don't know what this is called, or the windshield. So I realized, because they use the same port. Let me see if I can show you guys. So they pretty much use the same port. So I'll pull this out and you will see what it looks like. So it's the same port that I would have to put this inside. So which means that if I will be using this wireless microphone, I would have to take off the windshield. So that's something I still do not understand, but I will go online to actually double check. So this is the slot for this microphone, and the other one will be attached to my chest. So I don't know what I'll do about that. I'll go online to check how that is used, but I will just put this back, the windshield, because obviously it looks good. Yeah, so this is my new camera, and I'm just so delighted. I can't wait to start using this camera. I'll get it charged and then I can start filming officially. So I already connected this to by Bluetooth, and it's working perfectly. And okay, I remember I mentioned that this came with a small battery. So I've done all of that. I've inserted the battery and it's working perfectly. So guys, what do you think? What do you think? I think I love it. What do you guys think? Okay guys, so I will see you in my next video. Bye.